Morning, everybody. It's 8:40 on Friday, triple witching, and this is your pre-opening comment video number 1704. Asia and Europe higher, but our futures have been going in the other direction all morning. At 7:30, the Dow was down 100. At 8 o'clock, it was up. It was down 130. Right now, it's down 227. Nasdaq was up 30 to up 22, now down 31, and the S&P went from -5 to -9 to -24. Um, Part of that, I think, has to do with First Republic. It did move up yesterday a bit, up to well over 30, closed actually at about 33 and change, 34 actually. But this morning it's 29.56, down $4.71, and continuing to look weak. The chart on the screen is the bonds, and frankly, we're getting into an area here where we may see a reversal back to the upside. I mean, we've obviously had the last 3 weeks with a low of 122 and 3/4 up to today's high so far, 133.16. If we were to close above this level, let's call it 132.31, then we would actually have a higher high after making a new low and then coming down and making a higher low before reversing up. Excuse me. This would probably make the dollar a little weaker, which would be great for the gold and silver. I can't imagine that we're just going to blast through here. This 135 level is a lot of trouble. And the MACD and stuff, it's beginning to roll over to the downside. On the other hand, if you look here at what's been going on with the moving averages, it looks as if the 5 is going to go through the 20 to the upside. I'm surprised, and it's certainly something to keep an eye on. Oil was as high as just under 70, 69.64, now 68.16, and that's down 19 cents. Heating oil up a nickel, gasoline up 2.25 cents, nat gas coming back a little but still down 9 cents, gold up 27, and silver, which is lagging, up 48. So we'll play a little bit of catch up there today and for the week. The softs, cotton is down, coffee is down, sugar is down, cocoa is higher. Yesterday's action in lumber was a limit up, has not reopened yet this morning. Dollar index is down. Bitcoin has been up. I've seen it over 27,000 actually. 27,150 is the high. Last 26,725. The last up 1,600. Ethereum, same situation. And those bonds, as I said, up almost 1.5 points, getting into a very tough area. FedEx beat last night, beat across the board, it looked like. Stock is 227.05. That's up 23 or 11.3%. Amgen with layoffs, but not getting the kind of boost most of the others have gotten. It's 235.05. It's only up 48 cents or 0.2%. Sarepta, SRPT, they had a muscular dystrophy trial, and it looks like the FDA is going to have an advisory panel discussion about it, which is somewhat unusual. Everybody was expecting that this would get approved the end of next month, I believe it was, or no, the end of May, and that's put it into doubt. The stock had closed yesterday 149.67, up 420. Today has been as low as 116 and a quarter. Last 121 down 27.90 or 19%. First Republic uh, was substantially higher. Right now, 29.56, and that is down 471 or 14%. I have seen it, actually, I take that back. It's now 27.26, down 20.46%. Comerica down 2%. KeyCorp down 3%. Pacific Pac West Bancorp down almost 10%. Western Alliance down 6.8%. And NVIDIA just keeps on rocking along. 259.96, that's up 455. Last look at the futures. Dow down 260, S&P down 27, and the Nasdaq down 22.14. At 9:15, we have what do we have? 9:15, we have the industrial production expected to be 0.5. Prior was 0.0. Capacity utilization expected to be 78.5. Prior is 78.3. And then at 10 a.m., February leading indicators expected to be down 0.4. Last month was down 0.3. March, University of Michigan consumer sentiment preliminary consensus 67.2 versus 67 last month. All right, everyone, it's triple witching today, but they definitely are taking the bloom off the rose here. With these futures. Dow futures now down 280. Nasdaq is also down 34. All right, everyone. Have a good day. Be careful out there. It's a tough one.